Hi everyone, this is Stephanie with Children's Drawing and Painting at Locust Street Art. In this video, we will be making some DIY floral decorations using acrylic paints. Find any old jar, cup, bowl, or pot that could use a makeover and gather these materials. You will need the container to paint, some acrylic paints, a paint palette, paintbrushes, a cup of water, and make sure to properly cover your working area. Make sure that the area is covered before you begin to paint. I typically use newspapers or recycled paper from old packages to cover my table. This way, you won't be getting any paint on surfaces that you don't want paint on. To get started, use small pea-sized dabs of paint at a time. Mix paints on your palette to create different colors. I typically use a sheet of cardboard or an old shoebox lid as my palette. As you are painting, make sure that you rinse out your brush every time you are done with the color before you use a new color. This way, your colors won't randomly mix together, and it won't mess up your work. The key to acrylic paints is that they dry very quickly. This makes them great for these quick DIY projects. You can make your colors brighter and more solid when you add on more layers. When you see a spot that looks kind of patchy or washed out, you can easily add more acrylic paint to cover it up. Most acrylic paints are also water soluble. This means that they dissolve with water. So to make your paint last, keep it away from water and/or protect it with some non-toxic sealer. Now you have your very own spring-themed decorations. Add some flowers, whether real or fabric, to better show off your work. And don't forget to join us on Saturdays on the Zoom link on our website to make your own artwork with us. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned with Locust Street Art.